for me.
No. You are top 10 though. But I think that guy was shooting at the one in front of you, so hopefully somebody else spots him and starts shooting him down and
Guy
distracts
behind
him.
the rock is in circle.
Well, he knocked the other guy, so might as well kill him. Nice, good headshot. I love how he kept on hitting the ground.
Yeah.
Freaking game.
Well, I can take this rock.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, there's another guy right there behind the fence over there. And on the balcony. Ah, man, we gotta move. There's no cover at all over there.
That's horrible. Hopefully there's nobody to... Yeah, your east. Aside from those guys. By bang, there's probably some guys hiding behind this hay bale still.
I saw a guy behind the hay bale. I don't know if he's still there.
He got knocked by the guy who was behind the rock.
Did he? Okay.
Yep. You're getting shot at.
Yeah, I know. Behind the hay bale right there.
Nice. He's getting shot at too. Two guys. Shh, nice. There's a small little building or something inside the zone. Oh, it's that little shed right in front of you. It's that.
Oh, crap. Those guys have cover.
Yeah, they do. And those guys have got to go.
Time to commence Operation YOLO.
Yep. You're gonna try. Are you gonna try and get into that? Like, nice, nice. Get to the shed.
Oh.
Your head. You're getting shot at. They're shooting at you because they're idiots. Look at them shooting at you. Oh, it was so funny.
I don't think he's shooting at me. I think he's shooting over me. He's right beside me.
Oh, okay, that was so funny though. Did you like? Could you see what I could see? Where your character's head was stuck in the grates and he was just violently shaking.
I didn't see that.
Oh, I'm